In a world where technology is constantly improving and evolving, engineers are at the forefront of innovation, constantly finding new ways to tackle global challenges and advance sustainable solutions. SIPS 2025 welcomes engineers of all disciplines to explore groundbreaking new research in their fields and others, allowing for great minds to collaborate and share their ideas. From revolutionizing manufacturing and design for sustainability to enhancing data security and integrating emerging technologies, experts will share progressive insights and real-world applications. Join us from November 17th to 20th, 2025 at the Dusit Thani Mactan Resort in Cebu, Philippines to stay ahead of the latest engineering advancements, connect with global leaders, and help shape the future of technology. Submit your abstract at FLOGEN.org/SIPS 2025 under the submission column. SIPS, the world's premier event for sustainability through science and technology, advancing sustainability since 2003.